Place the 900HC on a flat work surface. If hanging the mount from a 1-inch trade-size conduit pipe, remove the center knockout on the base. Determine which knockout is to be used for the data cable and remove the knockout. Pull the plunger on the front of the assembly to open the mount. For hanging conduits, attach the 900HC base to the conduit using either a suitably sized conduit connector or threaded conduit and conduit nuts. Surface mounting. The base can be surface mounted directly to a wall or ceiling using suitable screws and wall hardware. Use the base to mark the screw locations on the wall or ceiling and attach the base. Align the round bosses on the back of the AP with the slots on the cover of the 900HC. Slide the access point down and secure the AP with the provided 632 locking screw. Attach the air bracket 2 to the mount cover using the 4 832 screws provided. The air bracket 2 should be aligned with the Oberon mount cover so that the cable entry on the air bracket 2 is positioned toward the cutout of the Oberon mount cover. Plug the data cable into the Cisco access point and attach the Cisco access point to the air bracket 2. If the air bracket 2 is not being used, place the Cisco AP's mounting feet into the keyhole slots and slide the access point toward the edge. Secure the AP with the provided locking screw. Installation is now complete.